Hey guys, it's Friday, March 24th. It's about 30 degrees out. We're in between landscaping jobs, so we're going to do some maintenance on the trucks that we have, the bobcats, and then straighten up the property. So that's what we have going on today. Should be a decent day, nice warm day. Hopefully the rest of the snow melts so that we can kick some ass next week in landscaping. So we'll see it out the property. I forgot to film it, but that nut you see right there, that came off. And here's that. There's a bolt that goes in there. We just chose to replace this whole thing because we didn't know if this thread would be screwed up. Also, I cannot get that bolt up out of that. So that's what I had to repair on this bobcat. And now I'll put this back in there along with the snap ring, and this baby will be ready to go after I clean it all off. Alright, it's all cleaned off. Now we'll put it back in there. And there it's back in there. Now I just gotta put the snap ring back in. If any of you all know that getting a snap ring in and out, it doesn't really happen without one of these. You can do it, but man, does it make it easier with one of these. Alright, the snap ring is in. Now we just gotta grease it and it's all ready to go. This also is one of the best things I ever got. I think I got this for a Christmas present. But to grease these machines, oh man, does this make a difference. Alright, this is all done and all greased up and ready to go. Pretty easy little fix. Alright guys, that's about it. It says it's 78 in here, but I think the truck is just warm. It's not that warm out. It's dropping now. It's down to 73. But we fixed the bobcat up. We fixed or washed up all the trucks. Got them all nice and cleaned out for the weekend. And we're going to call it a day. So you guys have a great weekend and we'll see you on Monday.